Hello everyone! Today's video is about how to bring harmony in your home. Hi, I'm Julie and I am an architecture designer. Let's get started with today's video. The first tip, what I have for you, you might not like it, but unfortunately it's the most important thing what you can do. And it's rid of the clutter. Honestly, the clutter is the biggest source of stress in your family home. I know it's not the popular one because you will have to rid of a lot of things if you want to keep calm. And I'm not saying rid of all these nice family moments, photos, or kind of memorabilia. I'm just saying we as a human being somehow, even the the most minimalist person, we are just holders and we are holding more and more and more. And if we are not decluttering regularly, honestly, all the stuff will go all over you. Please have it as a kind of weekly habit when you go through all your old paperwork or any kind of things where you can see where the clutter is coming. It's like growing from nowhere. Just go through those places and rid of it all. When you manage your clutter, when you actually do the regular decluttering, it actually can open space for you for new things, and not just the physical things. It kind of really clear your mind. So you will come up with new ideas. You might have more ideas about your home because finally you will see some space what you've never seen before, etc., etc. So I know it's not popular one, but it's important one. Another tip is how to bring more harmony in your home is bring more plants inside. I am fan of plants, but I am really going just for the natural real plant. I know these days even the fake one looks very, very real. And fair enough if you like it that way. I just cannot look at it without thinking, oh, it's plastic, and it's even more plastic around. And I just cannot do it. But if it's your thing, go for it, because the green color or these green shades will calm you, because you will feel that you are in nature, even if it's fake. If you're going for natural plants, of course you have to take care of it. And again, it's kind of part of relaxing activity. You can have plants everywhere. You can have the freestanding one. You can have them hanging from the ceiling or near the windows. There is a lot of options how you can add more greenery in your home. I love all these, these moss walls. We don't have it in our house, but I wish we have something like that, because as well it helps you with the humidity. So it's not just aesthetic thing, it helps with the air. If you want more harmony in your home, make it cozy. Anything what can make it nice, soft, like nice cushions, nice blanket. Something would really please you when you see it. But this tip is another one, and it's make your own space. It can be very small, it can be one chair, it can be corner in your bedroom, it can be actually your bed, but it needs to be a space where it's just mine and I can go there, sit, having a cup of tea and just breathe, because we all know sometimes life goes absolutely stressful and we all need kind of our own space where we can focus for a minute. And then we can go again with the life. Find this kind of space for you. And again, if you are space limited, you can always go for your own bed and make it nice. Make on the bedside table something nice would kind of recharge you and calm you. And last tip for today is play with your layout. Very often we might have a little bit too much furniture, or we might have furniture in wrong places. Play around with it. If you don't have the software and do it like virtually, move the furniture. It will be a little bit of workout, but move the furniture. Life is non-stop changing, so why not to change your layout at home? I mean, husbands usually don't like that activity, but bear with me. Always you will feel different. Of course, you might go wrong, and you will see, okay, the way how we had it before, it was the best one, and you can go back to it. Or you might feel actually much better. You might actually feel more spacious. You might feel more relaxed. you might feel different. This is the magic of Feng Shui. I might make a special video just about that. For now, go with your own feelings and with your own emotions. So change the layout, see how you feel. You can write actually about it. You can do a little bit of journaling about how you feel in your home. If you need any help, I am just click away. Let me know, send me a message, and I'm absolutely happy to help you with your layout. I am offering 3D renders, so I can actually show you without you moving the furniture. But for now, go with it. Try something new. Have a great day.